Hey YouTubers, what's going on? It's Fan Man here. This is my 1984 Robeson 20-inch box fan. I forget what model it is right now. It says underneath the fan. It's got a Macmillan motor in it. It's a rather cheap fan. It's made of thin metal. This fan was built to imitate a Laewood P-223. I have a good example too. Here's a blade from a 1984 P-223 made by Laewood. There is no difference in this blade set at all, except for the hub. That's the only difference. The blades look exactly the same. Including in here they look the same, except for those bumps. That's the only difference inside. It's the best imitation of a P-223 I've seen. I've seen two of them. This one and another one that was made by Windmere. It's supposed to look like a newer style 223, and it was terrible. It moved nowhere, and it just ran awful. This, on the other hand, moves as much air as a classic P-223 does. But anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.